Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. Today I'm doing a simple hairstyle, you guys. It's going to be the needle and thread flat twist on the center here, and then I think I'll do some cornrows on the side, and then the rubber band hairstyle here, and then yeah, put some hairpiece here, and that's basically what I'm gonna do. It's a simple hairstyle. I think that you can also kind of pull off at home. I'm trying this hairpiece. It's from Darling Hair from the winter collection. It's the torical, so it's got that loop there where you can crochet, but I don't think I'm gonna do a crochet because I want to do a ponytail only. The hairpiece is like this is color 1/27. It is quite nice, you guys, and I am in love already. I'm trying it out for the first time today, so yeah, wish me luck. So I'm gonna use the Natural Organics leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair and to help me with detangling. I will also use the Jabu Stone in Wax for my parts. And to lay my hair down, I'm going to use Super Dark's Black Freeze Gel. And I am running out as well in this. I use this a lot. Then after I finished doing my hair, I'm going to use this moisturizing daily hairspray from Natural Organics as well. And this one I'm going to just spray all over my hair. I spray it every day and all over my scalp so that it doesn't flake off. It's water based, but it's got rosemary oil, peppermint, tea tree, and some hair conditioners as well, so that my hair doesn't flake and it stays moisturized. And I'm gonna be using a lot of water as well because my hair is a little bit dry. So before I even part my hair, I spray some water and then I apply the leave-in conditioner that I'm using, the Natural Organics leave-in conditioner, all over the hair. That will help me with parting the hair actually, because my hair is so dry, and can you see it's still quite difficult to part even like after I've sprayed some water. So it's two sections, the front section and the back section, and then I'm going to start working on the front section. Most of the parting is actually happening off camera, you guys. I'm not the best at parting my hair. I've got a mirror in front of me today, but I still need to go closer to the mirror and it takes longer than necessary. So most of the parting is happening off camera. This is only part of the action. So I'm using Warm Heart 4-ply and I am using a single thread. I normally use 3-ply, but today I got 4-ply. And so on one of the comments, you guys suggested that to add oil to the wool so that it doesn't dry out the hair. And we are getting into winter and I don't want to run a risk of having my hair dried out just because I'm using wool. So I'm going to use the Twist and Shine shea butter. It's basically whipped shea butter from Natural Organics, and I am going to put it onto my wool so that it doesn't dry out my hair. I'm going to put this much. That brush there is just to help me to smooth the hair a little bit more. Can you see my white streaks of gray hair? It's been a while actually since I started graying. You guys, I've got a ton of videos on the needle and thread flat twist and even the cornrows, and I also have a video doing it on my hair where it's a proper tutorial. This is not a tutorial on that. This is just to show you the many options that you can use the needle and thread flat twist on your hair, like to combine it with other styling techniques so that you can come up with a hairstyle. So make sure you check it out. I'm going to just put it up here, and I'm also going to put a link in the description box below. So I'm just basically using rubber bands to tie the base of the hair so that I can secure it a little bit better than if I were just to start twisting. So I am going to twist each and every of those sections on the sides, but the rubber band is holding the hair down as much as possible. This is my first time actually using rubber bands on my hair, and to tell you the truth, it did hold quite fine. I was quite surprised even that a rubber band can hold hair that well, but yes, it did hold the hair very well. So I am using the Jabuston Invisi-Wax to smooth my hair down there so that I can hold it with the rubber band. I also use the Jabuston Invisi-Wax even for locks, and it's a locking gel as well, and it doesn't leave any flax, and it's also an edge tamer. Like, it makes the edges very, very nice, especially if you've got much thinner hair. But if you've got very thick hair, I'm sorry, it won't hold it down. And the ends, all the ends, I don't know if you noticed, but all the ends I've been applying some more leave-in conditioner so that I can keep them hydrated throughout the duration of this hairstyle. So now, instead of smoothing my hair with gel, I'm going to use the Dax, remember? But instead of smoothing it with gel, I'm smoothing it with a leave-in conditioner, the Nashe Organics leave-in conditioner, especially the layers that are going to be covered, because my hair is very dry and we are approaching winter. So it's so dry, and this change of season somehow makes my hair very, very dry. And because of that, I decided to use the Nashe Organics leave-in conditioner so that my hair can be hydrated as much as possible. And then I follow in with the Dax Frizz gel and just smooth it with the rectal comb there. Opening of the jar is just so small, so I normally use a comb to take the Dax from the jar and then go in with the detangling brush, because this is natural hair, so it's not going to just lay down just like that. Come on, it needs a little bit of work to make it lay down. And then I take the wooden bow brush and then I just go in and smooth my hair as much as possible before I tie it down. The idea as well is to make sure that you don't tie it too tight, because when the gel dries up, it can actually pull your hair from your scalp. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So now I'm just tying everything up and then putting on a satin scarf so that my hair can lay down, like completely lay down, whilst I work on my hairpiece, the hairpiece that I'm going to be attaching onto my hair. In one pack. So it comes in something like this, and I want to use it as a ponytail. I'm going to use this stretchy thread to tie the ponytail. My hair is reasonably flat. There we go. Woohoo! Happening, 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 happening. Okay. So yeah, now we are tying the ponytail. I'm attaching the ponytail to here. This string is not as stretchy as I thought it would be, actually, because it is quite loose. It is quite loose. I'm going to have to reinforce. I'm going to have to reinforce this ponytail, or else it will fall out. Let me not tilt my head too much. Right. Okay, so that was an epic failure. My stretchy string is not as stretchy as I thought, so I had to redo that again. So I had this thick elastic. That's the only elastic that I have in the house. So I have got this elastic, then I have done the threading again. To think of it in hindsight, I should have actually just done a crochet really, but I was too lazy and I thought I could get away with it. I somehow did. I somehow did, but I think a crochet could have been way better. I just didn't want to deal with crocheting each and every strand onto my hair. That's basically why I decided to just do a ponytail. Happening. Of course, I need some makeup, some earrings, some accessories. So yeah, this is the complete hairstyle. What do you think? Okay, yeah, not bad, right? Okay, so let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post on this channel. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you for coming by, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.